Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out in a different setting here. Not the shed working on bikes, out riding for once, but I figured it's a beautiful day and go for a ride. I'll take you along with. For the most part, it's just a flowy trail along the river. If you care, I'm rocking the CRF450R 2014. This bike is you know, we're missing some plastic. She's beat up pretty good, but this is one of the first rides I got out after switching it back over from the snow bike, so should be fun. Gear I'm rocking, if you care, just some O'Neill gloves. The helmet, rocking that sucker. It's pretty sweet. Elite. And this is a carbon one. It is amazingly light and super breathable. This is like one of the best helmets I've ever had. This little vest thing here, no, I'm not in the army or anything. I forget what exactly they call it, but this is just a Wolf Enduro vest. It's pretty sweet. Holds everything I need for most day trip. But yeah, last thing, check out Wild Moto on Instagram, my personal Instagram as well. You can check out all the goodies as far as bike builds, riding, on-road, off-road, and on the snow. That being said, let's get to riding. am not doing well. I'm flying off the trail left and right, losing the front end. Oh, bear shit. Bro. I'm gonna make an executive decision here. No more off the trail shenanigans. Oh, I may have potentially just jacked up my knee. I don't know yet. Kind of mushy, kind of floppy. I'm gonna take a dip, This water is probably 50 degrees if I'm lucky. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you like riding videos here and there, please comment down below, like this video. It's a damn good day to get outside and enjoy the weather. So I'm going swimming. Peace out.